Hello, welcome everyone to the CRM tutorial series, and come with me as we talk about the Zoho Social. Let's access the Zoho Social. So the Zoho Social basically is a one place where you can manage all your social media accounts. You can monitor it, uh, the engagements, all the reports that you want to check. You can also, of course, upload different content you have in your social media. But first, to get engaged in it, you would need to get started by setting up a brand. For example, we will be choosing a Facebook. So we have here Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube account, Pinterest, TikTok, and other applications. So we need to connect to Facebook. So just log in your Facebook account and poop it will and you will have a brand for your Soho Social. So after logging in, we will have a brand and create a channels like Facebook and YouTube account. So to create or post a content, just click the new post, and the tab here is where the social media accounts that we have linked in to our social. And if you want to add something, some channels or other social media accounts, other channels from Facebook and other page from YouTube, just click the plus button and add channels. Then so here is where the description of the video will be written. So down here we can attach multiple photos or videos. So if we are ready to upload video files from our own devices, we can just upload from our local device and select attach. So here are the ready-made thumbnails, but if we have a thumbnail, you can click last button and you can create a thumbnail from your work drive, Google OneDrive, Google Drive, Soho Work Drive, and other sources. And if you have something in your desktop, you could just find it, just like this, and attach it. So this will be the face of your video, and create something, some description about your video. Soho sign, a online signature of documents. So up here you can also tag a location where you are now or wherever you are. And YouTube, there's a YouTube video options where you can easily create tags and select a category which your video belong. So for example, it is belong to education, and tags is Soho sign, Soho social, and we can update it. And in the publishing options, we can publish it now or schedule a specific date for the publishing of your video. Or you can also add the queue, choose from next available slot across all the brands, and choose the smart queue slot. So it can be sorted by engagement and time. You can also save as a draft, or you can publish it now. So that's just how easy you can upload and create a content. And up here is where the home and all the posts you have in your social across from different social media accounts. And here are the messages, the inbox, where you can see all the comments of your viewers, where they engage in your different contents. And you can also monitor all the videos that you have uploaded, the connections, where you can see the most engaged and recently engaged viewers, or and you can also collaborate it, where you can create discussions, drafts, approvals, posts, and many more. And these are the reports which shows the analytics of your uh, Zoho Social. So that is the Zoho Social application. Thank you for watching this video.